Hi everyone, it's Simon Massey here, and in this short video I am going to show you how to understand different types of variables, and in this video specifically we're going to identify a nominal variable. Okay, so if you want to have a look at scale or ordinal, be sure to have a look at the other videos we've done for you, and we're going to get right into this one now. So you might have been looking at variable types and you might be quite confused because there's some new terminology being used and it might not be quite clear when a variable is nominal or ordinal or scale. There's quite a simple process to this that helps us identify the type of variable, and we're going to use that process each time we want to identify either of those three variables themselves. So the example that we're going to use in this one is the favourite music artist. So we've asked a bunch of people who their favourite music artist is, and these are the four most popular answers we were given. We got Meatloaf, Ed Sheeran, Rihanna, and Drake. So think about that for a second. We've got four different music artists and we need to try and decide what type of variable is this going to be? What exactly are we measuring here? What's the type of measurement specifically? Now, with anything in statistics, we always need to make sure that we're breaking it down. In order to be able to really understand something, we need to understand all the different pieces that would make a variable or a statistical concept what it is. All right. So when you're identifying variables, the first thing you should be asking yourself is, does the variable contain words or numbers? So with this example, we know that we're looking at favorite music artist. That sounds to me like it's words. There's no discussion of numbers in there. So if it contains words, we know that this is going to be a categorical variable. If it was numbers, then it wouldn't be categorical, in which case we'd have to ask ourselves some other questions. But let's focus on categorical for now, seeing as we know that it's words we're using. The second question you need to be asking yourself is, can the categories be placed in a logical order of some sort? So when we, again, using the example, a favourite music artist, can we place that in an order? Now, I'm not so sure we can because we only have four individual music artists. There's not really a hierarchy we can put those categories in. We know that the categories, but we're not so sure if they can be put in any sort of order. So to me, I would say no in this case. It can't be put in any logical order. So that would mean that this is actually a nominal variable. There's no hierarchy, it's just groups or categories put in no hierarchy whatsoever or order, therefore it's nominal. If it was in some sort of ranking, then we could say it's ordinal because there's a sense of order to it. And obviously because there's no numbers, we know it's not interval, so it's certainly not going to be scale either. So I hope that was helpful. What we've done here is managed to identify that a favourite musician type is a nominal variable. Be sure to check out our other videos to understand the difference between ordinal and scale.